Hi, I'm Margaret from Living Beyond Breast Cancer, and you're watching our Instagram fundraising tutorial. Fundraising on Instagram is an easy and creative way to show your support for LBBC. Plus, Instagram doesn't charge any fees, so 100% of what you raise comes directly to us. I'll now walk you through the steps needed to start your own Instagram fundraiser. First, be sure you are logged on to your own preferred Instagram account. Begin the process of creating your story by clicking your profile photo at the top left part of the screen. Choose or take a photo or video that expresses what LBBC means to you. Edit your image as you like with filters and words. Once you are happy with your photo or video, click the sticker icon at the top. Among the default options on the sticker screen will be Donation. Select that, and on the next screen, you will search and select LBBC. Instagram then gives you the opportunity to customize the words on your sticker. Click your story at the bottom to share it immediately and start collecting donations. Donors will simply click on your sticker and follow a couple easy prompts to complete their gift. Your donation sticker story will remain active on your profile for 24 hours. Consider adding it to your highlight tray if you want it to last longer. Be sure to thank each of your donors. You can do this through a private message or by posting a public thank you to your same Instagram story. If Instagram fundraising sounds like fun to you, we encourage you to try it out. There's nothing to lose. From all the staff here at LBBC, we thank you for fundraising and supporting our work.